In this video, I will show you how to change the download location in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots up here, and on this menu that comes up, come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your Chrome settings, the best way to find this is to actually use the search box at the top, as the menus and things like that do change quite frequently. So if you come up to the top, click into the search box and just type downloads. Once you've done that, if you come down to the download section down at the bottom, you're going to find your current download location. So you can see this is my default location, and you can find what your default download location currently is. But to change this, just come to the right hand side, click the change button, and what that's going to do is open up your computer's file explorer. Now from here, you can select a different folder that you want to download this to. So for example, I'm going to click onto desktop, and what I'm going to do is select this photos folder here. And once I've done that, I'm just going to click the select folder button. Now, as you can see, the location has now been updated. So all future downloads are now going to be saved to this download location. So that's how to change the download location in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.